Hello students, today I am going to teach you an important lesson, Trigonometry Part 2. In the Part 1 video, we have learnt how we can identify the opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. In this video, we will learn trigonometric ratios. Objectives. By studying this lesson, you will be able to identify the trigonometric ratios, sine, cosine and tangent. Perform calculations related to triangles using the sines, cosines and tangents tables. Trigonometric ratio. Now let us write the trigonometric ratios for the right triangle PQR. One of the angle here is 90 degrees. So one of the angle here is 90 degrees. This is a right angle. It is equal to 90 degrees. Magnitude of angle Q is 90 degrees. PR. Hypotenuse. You only have hypotenuse when you have a right triangle. It is the side opposite the right angle. It is the side opposite the right angle. And it is the longest side of a right triangles. The ratios of the sides of a right triangle are called trigonometric ratios. Three common trigonometric ratios are the sine, cosine and tangent. Now let us write the trigonometric ratios for the right triangle PQR. The sine ratio. Compare the length of the side opposite the 30 degrees angle with the length of the hypotenuse. If you take equiangular right triangles, so we can write down a ratio opposite divided by hypotenuse. So you can see two equiangular right triangles here. Smaller triangle and larger triangle. Hypotenuse 4 cm, hypotenuse 8 cm. Opposite side 2 cm, opposite side 4 cm. When you take equiangular right triangles, the ratios are proportional. Compare the length of sides opposite the 30 degrees angle with the length of hypotenuse. Smaller triangle. In the small triangle, opposite over hypotenuse, 2 over 4, 0.5. In the larger triangle, opposite over hypotenuse, 4 over 8, 0.5. So when you take equiangular right triangle, the ratios are proportional. So what is the ratio here? Opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. That is 0.5, half. Only for 30 degrees angle. So when you take another angle, you will get different ratio. So this is called sine ratio. In any right angle triangle, the answer obtained by dividing the length of opposite an angle by the length of hypotenuse is called sine. The symbol theta often used to denote a general angle. Sine theta, opposite divided by hypotenuse. So this is the definition. Sine theta equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. So how can you remember this? So you can remember this word so, S-O-H, so. So you can see sine opposite over hypotenuse, S-O-H, sine opposite over hypotenuse. Sin x, opposite side divided by hypotenuse, SOH. Now we look at the second ratio, that is called cosine ratio. So we write in shortened form cos x. Cos x equal adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So how we can remember? C-A-H, ka. So we can remember like that. Cos x equal adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Now we look at the third ratio. This is called tangent ratio. We write in shortened form tan x. Tan x equal opposite side divided by adjacent side, or tan x equal opposite side divided by adjacent side. So how can we remember? Tan opposite over hypotenuse, tan opposite over adjacent, TOA. SOHCAHTOA, an easy way to remember trigonometric ratios. The word SOHCAHTOA help us to remember the definitions of sine, cosine and tangent. Sin x, opposite divided by hypotenuse, cos x, adjacent divided by hypotenuse, tan x, opposite divided by adjacent. So these ratios can be difficult to remember. So this word, the word SOHCAHTOA helpful for remembering what ratio goes with which function. What ratio goes with which function? Sin x, cos x, or tan x. So SOH. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So we can remember like that. Example number 1. In triangle PQR, in the figure P, angle P is right angle. PQ 5 cm, PR 12 cm, PQR equal to theta. Angle Q equal to theta. Find the length of the side QR. Find the following values: sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. So let us figure out what is sin theta, cos sin theta, and tangent theta. First focus on sin theta. To find sin theta, so we need opposite over hypotenuse. So we need to find out PR, QR side, hypotenuse. So what is the opposite side to theta? What is the opposite side to theta? The opposite side is 12 cm. What is the hypotenuse? So we need to find. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. 5 squared plus 12 squared. So then we can find QR equal 13 centimeter. So QR square is going to be equal to PQ square plus PR square. So we know that from Pythagoras theorem. QR equal to 13 centimeter. So now we can find trigonometric ratios. So sin theta. Sin opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite side 12 centimeter. What is the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse here is 13 centimeter. So sin theta opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite side is 12 centimeter. The hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. 12 over 13. Cos theta. Cos theta adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent side 5 centimeter. Hypotenuse is 13. Tan theta opposite over adjacent. Opposite side is 12 centimeter. Adjacent is 5 centimeter. So we can find tan theta. Adjacent side. One arm of the angle theta. One of the arm of angle theta. Example number 2. In the triangle ABC, in the figure, angle B is right angle, AB equal 15 cm, BC equal 8 cm. ACB, angle ACB, this angle equals to theta. Find the length of side AC. AC, hypotenuse. Find the following values: sin theta, cosine theta, tangent theta. So let us figure out what is sine of theta, cosine of theta, tangent of theta. First focus on sin theta. So we just have to remember SOHCAHTOA. So sine opposite over hypotenuse. So we need to find out hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So AC square is going to be equal to AB squared plus BC squared. AC squared is going to be equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So we can assign values. AB 15, BC 8 cm. So then we can find out AC 17 cm. So we know that from Pythagoras theorem. So AC 17 cm. Can put 17 here. So then, according to the definition, sin theta, so opposite over hypotenuse, opposite side is 15, or this is opposite side. So what side is opposite to T? This is angle C, 15. The opposite side is 15. What is the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse here is 17 centimeter. Sin theta opposite over hypotenuse, 15 over 17. Cos theta adjacent over hypotenuse, adjacent side 8, hypotenuse 17. So we can find cos theta. So likewise we can find tan theta also. So example 3. If tan theta equal half, find the value of sin theta and cos theta. So we know tan theta. TOA, tan opposite over adjacent. So we can take this as opposite. So we can just take as adjacent. So if tan theta equal half, the side opposite theta of length 1 unit and the adjacent of theta of length 2 unit. Length 2 units and 1 unit. So we can represent this information in a figure like this. So we need to draw right triangle and mark tan theta. So we can mark theta here. So this is opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. So tan theta opposite over adjacent. So can mark 1 here, 2 units. So according to the Pythagoras relationship, so we need to find AB, AC. AC squared equal AB squared plus BC squared. So AC square is going to be equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So we know that from Pythagoras theorem. So AC root 5. So we can mark AC as root 5. So now we can find sin theta. Sin theta opposite side divide by hypotenuse. Cos theta adjacent side divide by hypotenuse. So opposite side 1. Hypotenuse is root 5. So if you want to rationalize this, you can multiply both numerator and denominator by root 5. Cos theta adjacent divide by hypotenuse. Adjacent to unit, hypotenuse root 5. Exercise 18.2. Fill in the blanks under each figure based on the information given in each of the following figures. Right triangle, theta, opposite side 4 cm, adjacent side 3 cm, hypotenuse 5 cm. So we need to find sin theta. Sin theta opposite divide by hypotenuse. Opposite 4, hypotenuse 5. 4 divided by 5. 4 over 5 equal to sin theta. So likewise, we need to do this example, exercise as a homework. Question number 2 and 3 we will do as a homework. And thank you.